How's it going, everyone? Day 14 on backtesting every day for 2025. We're going to be jumping into the Forex market. One of my favorite pairs that I was trading all last year, and one of the pairs that helped me get funded with a 500K account. So let's jump right in. I'll show you what I'm going to be talking about. We have the Euro Yen market here. And for many of you who were following this pair last year, it was just heavily bullish. I want to share one of my strategies that I was able to get the funding with. And let me just start it out real quick. It's going to be a long strategy, and it's going to be a 16 to 64 cross. Let's see if I can build it up here on the WMA. So let me just pull it up. I have it saved here. All right. So very simple, robust candle strategy. 5.5% gain for take profit and 1% stop loss. And exit when the 16 crosses the 64 back down. And so here we got positive 8.8% gain out of 273 positions. Win rate is 42%. The reward to risk ratio 1.53. Max drawdown minus 9.1. And this is what it looks like on the chart. Let me set up my indicators. This is what it looks like. Close this, close that. And then a 16 and a 64. Let me just change this to 16. So when the 16 WMA crosses the 64, it will enter long. You can see here, simple cross method. These numbers I've came up with, or I didn't come up with, I was inspired by a book I read, and they have a whole idea about the weighted moving averages compared to exponential as we were usually used to seeing. The 16 and 64 numbers were just through testing. I was able to find that it utilized this pair very well, where I was able to come out profitable. Your average trades a month is about 14 trades for the month. So let's look at the equity curve here. So starting from the 23rd, right, going into 24, it's just been nicely bullish. For those who remember the USD yen pop, just lots of pairs are stronger against the yen pair, a yen denomination currency. So you can see it's just been going up all most of 2024. I mean, this trend started back, in 22, maybe the beginning of 23 was a clean breakout, but it went heavy for over a year and then crashed coming into July of last year. Big dump. The Bank of Japan has intervened, and so the train has stopped, or at the moment. Well, I mean, it's starting to pick back up again, but it was a great ride. I was able to utilize this particular strategy, just take advantage of the overall macro environment of the market. And so, yeah, like you just pair this robust system up with the macro trading environment of the different markets, and just the fundamentals behind the moves. It could be a powerful move. I mean, obviously, as you could see, the down trend or the drawdowns of this, the cons of this is that you're gonna get false signals even on downtrends. You could see the WMA crossing back up, and so it's gonna trigger false signals. And if you're just trading according to your signal, then you're gonna get a lot of drawdown. As you can see, almost 10% here. So a lot of stop outs. The win rate surprisingly is 42%, you know, but it is just a normal stat for a trend following type of strategy. 1 hour chart, and with a 1664 WMA cross, and this is what you get, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, that I'll be posting this up in the in our library.